Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I got two packages came in the mail, you guys. Very fucking excited. It I ordered uh the stuff and I've been waiting so fucking long. So I been sit there about days or a month, whatever. So finally, so we got from CDN records. This is from Cayman, Ontario, and this is from now big heavy box. This is from House Has Banners. So let's give this one CDN records first. So and I ordered because CDs and a bunch of stuff. If I we very happy. And so yeah, I'm really glad because so yeah, very happy right now. So yeah, finally because I'm really glad because it's so fast. So. Just like the box and mailbox for like fake goods. So I don't know why. Sometimes the tape is fucking got all places of papers. That's cool. Let's recycle. Alright. We got papers. So I'll put up a cover for you guys for Chewy. So yeah. I was surprised and I spent that all stuff like nothing. Okay, cool. I keep it last. We walk away with Christmas. So I would show you guys and the CDs, bunch of stuff. Looks like now I'll clean up. Don't worry guys, I'll clean up in this case. Excuse me. Okay, let's see what's next. Go first. Per cover. You guys, I just made sure I want to get ridiculous take off. So yeah. And this is 3 bands split in the album. You see it, CDs, and Awesome Killer, and so yeah. So anyways, awesome killer bands, like what we call death, death metal, and all stuff. And can't wait to listen to these. I'm very sorry, I can't wait to listen to the music. I love CDs, I love the records, excuse me, vinyl records, sorry. And so we got these stuff sticky now. We got these black metal or death metal, whatever call it. And they have two bands split with awesome killer. And so yeah. I'm really happy. They are so fast. They like a amazing job. Like so. Let me see first. Uh, who's the photos and bands for Tree? And, so yeah, awesome photos of the car. Yeah, also this one. It's really sick. The bands and stuff. So I love that because that way because same day and so many fucking CDs and like so you know and like that metal awesome and this one black metal or that metal for three and, this one is and then hopefully they have photos and bands and stuff so. No, it's not much like the bands, the photos, two bands, the photos, but this is the black and white. I like black and white. It's not much facey color because there's not much to do. And so awesome killer. They are so fast, like it's so quickly, like an amazing job and should be and fiery CDs. I'm really happy. So next, I got two bands split because CDs and so this is I wanted the album is not cheap and I can buy it and split. I like split CDs. It's freaking killer. So yes. Let me see closer, guys. So awesome killer. And this is Joe drums and mess and vocals, Jake and guitars, the bass. On the hand, the mic and the guitars, the bass, the drums, the vocals, everything, and instruments and stuff. Artwork by for whatever's name. Lay down Alex for whatever's last name. I will confirm. So that's awesome job. And finally, I'm really happy right now. I'm really enjoy. And, next, we got the awesome death metal music killer. And they have two bands split. And awesome killer. And this one, this is my favorite bands, and this is my boss. They need whatever to know time. So it's awesome killer. Is he like the death metal or boo death metal or whatever you call it? I said that it was so that's really cool. Awesome. And next we got plastic seeds, of course. Get the plastic off. Bad boy. I'm very, very excited, you guys. I'm telling you. So I'm really glad. This is 3 bands spread. This is grape. Whatever. I'm not saying that word like so fucking weird spread bands. So awesome killer. And they have no photos in the bands unfortunately. And I'm gonna do spread bands. And awesome killer. Can we hopefully try it with the music? It's not much CDs, you know. This is my favorite album. This is death metal. Death metal, white core, blue death metal because all stuff that they have, a bunch of. And, I feel sorry because I'm just telling you guys. I'm very, very grateful. I love CDN records so much. Like it's awesome killer. So yeah. Anyways, I was surprised. There's no damage. The CD's case, glass case, fortunately. Yeah, yes. This is photos, the car, the bands. You see it. So, showing my phone the vacation and shaking it that way. So, it shows me impulse or whatever. So, yeah. I'm very happy. Now, finally. Finally, we got the plastic. So I'm gonna enjoy this one, the Welcome Death Metal. An awesome killer display stuff. Me move one dive. And then the rear house has banners later. So this is very nice. And awesome the photos and the bands. It's very hard seeing the windows, you guys. I'm very sorry, and I apologize. And awesome, cool. Awesome CDs. I'm very happy. Next, we got the metal. Well, they got sticker, nice. Awesome. Unfortunately, they don't have the photos of the bands. It just looks the same. So awesome. Can't wait. Awesome stuff. No, all CDs. I wish I said they have the stuck so, but like I don't care. It's the CDs. We got awesome sticker. CDN records. Awesome. And we got CDN. Sorry. Records to the fridge. Awesome. I love it. Thank you. I really appreciate your support to me. And we got 2. Hold on a sec. Is this the same? Yeah, it's the same. CDs and poetry. Ah, that's funny. That's so fucking hilarious. I don't know why he's grab two, like, or whatever. A mistake of order. That's okay. It happens. It happens to me. That's funny. Please don't tell me it's one funny. It's so fucking hilarious. Like, I try to pay attention, don't be eyes. Like, my glasses again, my age is old. So, like, yeah. I'm not good enough. So, this is really nice. Two split the bands, two bands. And, so, yeah. This is, the book Christ or whatever. So, I know this is from the Japan or whatever, so something, or Guinea. So, it's hard. It's very hard to tell. So, we got the back, the photos, the car. You know, awesome. I'm really happy now. Finally, ship is so fast. So I'm really glad because finally they came to ship. Alright. So yeah, awesome. And CDs. And next, we got my favorite one, Old Time with Demo. So yeah. This is oh man, please split. Well, 3 men. Awesome. Now we got these awesome bands. And so I'll show you the photos. No, they have the back. No, just songs. Then they no photos in the bands, unfortunately. That's kind of interesting, weird stuff, and items, the merch and stuff. So I really hope so they have for sale. There is this is 2 bands and stuff, and I love that. You know, I'm gonna cover CDs. So yeah, that the wall CDs. I was surprised like it for sale. Like really, like I don't know why. Well, I will do. Excuse me. You know, I will do in the bands and stuff, but you know, I will do. You know, fortunately, it's not my case. Oh, there is. Awesome photos of the car, the bands, stuff. Awesome killer. You know, I'm really happy. Alright, next, last one, CDs. Oh. Fix it up quickly. Alright, last one, CDs, my friends. This is the bands and 2 bands and but this is Hexa, Alex Harper, whatever his name, sorry. And this is a demo. And so yeah. I'll show you some background. And they do have, oh, they do photos, nice. They have the awesome photos in the bands. You see it? Awesome killer. And I'm really happy. And, so yeah. Can't wait. Thank you, the CDN. We appreciate records. An awesome killer. Alright, next we got heavy fucking box. You guys, folks. And move to CD so I can break that. So this is case so we get stuff. No. So this is the Helltown banners, guys, because I've been way before Christmas in January and now February is fucking should be. I really hate special fucking ship. So because this is why I keep forever fucking stupid Chicago for whatever some fucking reasons. So next time I don't need postal ship anymore. I mean next time. So why? Fucking heavy box. Jesus Christ. Did you hear it? This is why is a box. This is like a box. Okay, yeah, whatever. Protected. So, give a J off for the fucking house on banners or like whatever. They got fucking piss or whatever. Go be stew. So yeah, just like box with pizza. So okay, yeah. So we move. Awesome killer. I mean, I fucking weed, whatever. Stupid. And so. Tapes, CDs, tapes, 2 tapes, and excuse me, okay, that's, so, yeah, huh, that's nice. 2 sticker, awesome. And then vinyl. Let me move the CDs, you guys. So give me 1 sec. Box. Alright, so move the CDs in my desk. Sorry guys, I just stayed up and stuff. I even don't know. Break the box reader. Hi, you guys. Sorry I stayed up. That's okay. Okay. Now next we got blackmail, the tapes. I'm being fucking way. So. Good iPad. So this is really nice tapes. The like old school. This is Saints Worms, whatever its name. So then came the album, the black metal. So awesome. So yeah, and, this is the black cover. So yeah, really happy. Next we got Death Hammer. They came out, album came out. So yeah. And I never heard that album. And this is a nice red tape. The tapes right here. I don't want to get destroyed. This is nice. Death Hammer. Really cool. Very nice. Right. Next. Awesome tapes. There are 2 tapes. I bought 2 tapes in order. You know, super expensive, super fucking postal company. I never do again. Like whatever. Just some water, guys. Just thirsty. Alright. We got the sticker. House of Painters the same. Then you need metal, go to hell. Awesome sticker. The same sticker. I'm gonna cover on one bottle. Okay. Now file first. I'm gonna show you some fireworkers. So I'm gonna cover. This one and that metal, all stuff. Just like blue death metal the color. You know. So yeah. I'm gonna show you one thing. Not the posters, of course, about some of you guys in the video. Yeah, awesome. I'm gonna show you this one, the poster. Okay, let's see what color. They got the color is purple split. I got green purple split because this is a white the color. So yeah, and really happy because I'm also in the file because I have feelings. This is why. So give me 1 second, guys. There you go. Nah, whatever. I'm just at one bar, sit there and fucking wait. Whatever. I don't care. This one is Black Metal, same album, and tapes. You know, they have no poster, nothing. Black Metal and stuff. So, the file color is black. So it's like, you know, so yeah. I'm really surprised and I expected that I'd be fucking waiting forever. Like, it's like I so pissed off and like nobody else do really come and see the waiting pizza, like whatever do. Like, so yeah. Anyways. Next we got I got the Death Hammer. This is my favorite album all time. So yeah. Ooh, snap. And awesome, interesting name. And awesome Death Hammer. It's really cool. Let's look interesting books. So yeah, awesome. I like those ones. Wicked Cure. You know. So yeah. So because this is why, because we got that barrel, one black metal, all the stuff. So this is colored is like a box split the file. I'm not 100% sure. So can we listen to the file maker? So guys, I'll just be waiting the video, finally they came. The Blue Spice is heavy box. So yeah. So yeah. Next, and we got these bad boy. Ooh, snap. Almost caught up. We got down 2 files. We got the split, the green, red, yellow split. It's the same file records. Yep. So yeah. And then do a rear anyway. So yeah, this one the hands and the Mason on all your friends dead. Awesome stuff. Get that I'll show you. Next, finally, I'll show you this thing. This is just 25. So, front cover. So this is this for Sharpies. It awesome. So yeah, do it later after the video. And let's see my color. And that color is we got the split yellow file. So yeah, awesome camera. And yeah. Next, last one. I been wait fucking these records. And this is that one because I been we sit there. I been we sit there because they sold out because of the he like so pissed off. Like I try to sit away forever these fucking days. So yeah, we got the blue black spire also. I like color. I'm a big fan of color and stuff. I don't like not much to do they have available. And that's not special fucking bio. It's ridiculous. Alright, CDs. I'll go clean up the rear after video so guys don't make a mess. This one brand new CDs came out. I've been fucking waiting forever. It's not so up. Don't we? So how's the game over? So yeah. So yeah. Yeah, because it's like a brutal death metal, something like death metal, all stuff. And awesome CDs I got. So yeah. So yeah. Also the photos of the man's car. So hopefully in time listen to music. CDs in here. Next. Well, it's the same album. Oh, that's easy. Ooh, snap. And then awesome photos. The same biorecords. So so yeah, awesome CDs. Very happy. Next, we got Mayhem and Mom, or whatever. like the Legends Mayhem stuff. You know, the black metal. So yeah. And this is the mob, the mice, the dust, and the mayhem, the force of souls, and the view of fog. They're enormous. The legends, 2 legends. So awesome CDs. Because I'm a big fan of mayhem. You see stuff. That's amazing. This is just what I'm looking for. Hard time finding. So yeah, I'm really happy. Can't wait to listen to. So next, I'm on per cover. I'm per cover here. I'll show you. So yeah. This one Mayhem, and I will call the Upper Black Hearts. So yeah, no, did that because panel owner because normal there's soft photos. So it's very aggressive. So yeah. Awesome. So yeah. Awesome cover. Next, we got the Death Hammer. The awesome CDs. So yeah. This was the same tapes in file is CDs. This is how I bought it. Awesome. The photos. So yeah. I'm very happy. Next, I'm going to show you this one. The CD. And two left to go. So yeah. That's cool. So yeah. And we got Blackmail. There's a CD. cracky. An awesome CD. Oh, yeah, 2 CDs. Cool. And awesome, that black mile. So, yeah. That's cool. Next, last one. So yeah, this is a Sport Zombies CDs. Awesome stuff. So yeah. An awesome killer. So alright. Now that's it. That's it for that. Thank you for whatever it was. CDN records. I would appreciate you send me for cookies so fast shipping. And also thank you for House of Manners records. I would appreciate it. Supposed to be, I will promise I'm never doing any the buy and stuff anymore. So yeah. Anyways, and if you like to keep justice in the video, and give me comments on what you think this video so far, and give me like thumbs up if you like it. It doesn't matter. And don't forget to follow me at social media on Twitter, the Instagrams, and so yeah, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You don't miss video. And so yeah, that's it. That's it. The video. Hopefully, try my best I can. So yeah. Alright, you guys. Stay metal. Stay real.